Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shogokori, in case you're new here. And this is just a space for me where I share anything and everything that brings me joy and hope that it does the same for you, or at least it's helpful in one way or another. So in today's video, I want to share with you guys this little project that I did the other day. So I had this empty corner in my space, and for a long time I've always wanted to create a gallery wall, so I felt this was a great chance for me to do that. Yeah, and I just want to share with you guys where I got everything that I used to make this happen. And what do you think, guys? I think it's really lovely. I absolutely love it. Also, guys, disclaimer, I'm going to ask you guys to bear with me for the noise that you're going to hear probably throughout this video, but it was unavoidable. I really did not know what to do about it, but please bear with me. Yeah. So for starters, I had to look for frames, and as we all know, frames are really expensive. But if you look around on YouTube, you'll find a few guys who have recommended places where you can get affordable frames, and I needed mine in A4s. So I came on here on YouTube to look for places where I can get frames, and Naivas was one of the most recommended for affordable frames. So I went on there, and true to what guys had said, there are frames there for 195 shillings for this size. It's an A4 or just slightly bigger than an A4. And yeah, they go for 195 shillings. But I did not get mine from Naivas because I happened to go to a different place. So I happened to go to Accra Trade Center, which is on Accra Road, and while I was there, I found several shops that sell frames, and I got into one, and I think I'm going to put the shop number here, and they were selling the frames for the same frames in Naivas. They were selling them for 180 shillings, and I thought it was a good deal to at least save 15 shillings, you know. So I got these ones, but I got them in gold, and I wanted to paint them to black because that was my aesthetic. That is what I wanted. So I had some leftover spray paint, but it was not enough. I had gotten that spray paint from Kirinyaga Road. I had bought it after watching a video from DIY with Jojo. She was recommending where you can get spray paint for 250 shillings, but that was a while ago. I don't know whether that is still the case, but that is where I had gotten mine. So I came home. Oh, I think I've skipped a step where I downloaded the images from Pinterest, the ones I liked. I just walked into a cyber and had them printed, and they were printed for 30 shillings each. And then the guy from the cyber was kind enough to also frame them for me, which was kind of hassle because with these locally made frames, they're not the easiest to open and put back because they use the material for carton boxes. They use carton boxes and regular nails. So yeah, they're not the easiest to open, put the image in, and close them back as the usual frames. But for that price, I think it's what you get for the price that you pay for them. Yeah, so I got them printed for 30 shillings each, and yeah, the guy was kind enough to frame them for me. So I came home and I needed to spray paint them to black, and at some point I ran out of the spray paint, so I had to go get some more. And yeah, I just spray painted, and I did a blunder where I placed because I came home with them already framed, and I still needed to paint them. So I put, I think I'm going to show you, I put like 10 pages from a magazine, but they did not cover the whole space. So afterwards, I needed to clean the glass because part of the glass got the paint and it was a hassle. I'll show you, I'll insert the whole situation here. Hi guys, so as you can see, I'm removing the extra paint, and I have to say it's really a hassle because I was trying to use nail polish remover, this one, as you've probably seen, and it has run out. It was little. Then I've tried vinegar. It's taking a bit of too much time, so I'm applying just a bit of this where I need to remove the paint. Then yes, and this scrub, and is doing the job. Easy peasy, easy peasy, easy peasy. So I'll see you guys when I'm all done. So yeah, that was it all. So now to mounting them, I had to get double-sided tape, and I got mine from a bookshop in River Road called Perfect Seal. Yes, yeah, it was 150 shillings, and it's doing the job. I mean, I've had them now. This could be closed for maybe 5 days, and it's holding on really well. So yeah, I think it's not the heavy duty one, but it's still getting the job done, and I like it. Hi guys, good morning. This is the next day. And here goes the gallery wall. Anyway, I'm not done. So I put up, as you can see, I already put up 2 of the frames yesterday after I finished wiping off the excess paint. I already put up 2 of them because I wanted to see how they would hold up through the night, and I think the mounting tape is doing a great job. So now I'm going to mount the rest of them. There are 6 of them, so it's 3 on this side of the wall, 3 on the other side, because this is a corner. Yeah. is the whole this is my gallery wall. I absolutely love it. I really wanted my frames in black, and I have seen them in black in Naivas before, but I don't know. I think the person who supplies them does not do them in black anymore, or maybe it was bad timing for me. But yeah, I love it. I hope you're going to enjoy this video, and I hope that you have learned a thing or two, and it's going to be helpful in case you're trying to create your own gallery wall. And I think you're going to be seeing a lot of me on this area. So thank you so much, guys. And if you have enjoyed this video and if you'd like to see more, don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next one.
Style is the answer to everything.